In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Smart EX app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. Look for the colorful triangle icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. Once you find it, tap on the icon to launch the app. You will see a vast array of apps and games available for download. The Google Play Store is the official source for Android apps, making it a safe and reliable choice. If you are not signed in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is important because it ensures you can download apps smoothly and securely. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. It will usually say "Search for apps and games." Once you tap it, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to enter text. Type in Shinkansen Smart EX to find the app you need. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below the search bar. This feature can help you quickly find what you are looking for. The search bar is essential because it directs you to the app by filtering through thousands of options in the store. Now that you have searched for the app, select the official Shinkansen Smart EX app on Google Play. Look for the app that is published by the Central Japan Railway Company, as this is the legitimate version. It typically has the official logo, which may feature elements like a train or the company's branding. Selecting the correct app is crucial because downloading a fake or unofficial version can lead to security risks or functionality issues. You will notice the app details, including its description, ratings, and user reviews, which can help reassure you that you are choosing the right option. With the official app selected, it is time to tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located prominently on the app page. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. It's important to be patient here, as this ensures that the app installs correctly without any interruptions. After the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear where the Install button was. Tapping this button will launch the Smart EX app for the first time. You can also find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer for future access. Launching the app right away allows you to start using its features immediately, making it convenient for your travel needs. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of the Smart EX app. This app will help you book Shinkansen tickets easily and efficiently. Remember, downloading apps from the Play Store ensures you are using the most secure and up-to-date versions. Thank you for following along and enjoy your travels.